Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn left function in Excel. This function is useful for extracting a specific number of characters from the beginning of a text string. Let's start with the basics. The left function extracts a given number of characters from the left side of a text string. The syntax of the text string is equals to left, open the bracket, text comma square bracket number underscore char, close the square bracket. This is the syntax of left function. Here the text is the string from which you want to extract characters, and the number of characters you want to retrieve from the left. Let's look one example. Suppose here I have taken 3 characters: Excel tutorial, skill set and online tutorial in cell A1, and you want to extract the first 5 characters of these 3. Let's see. Equals to left. What I have told first, text. Text means A2 comma number of characters. What you want characters? Type 5. Close the bracket, then hit enter. It came Excel. How many characters? 5 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Next, that like only equals to left, open the bracket, A3 comma 5. Close the bracket and hit enter. What it came? Skill. That like only equals to left, open the bracket, A4 comma 5. No, here it is online. Online means 6 characters. We have to type 6. Enter. That's it. We have successfully placed the first 5 characters of left function. Thanks for watching and see you next time.